Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing try-on video. So I just got my box yesterday and I know there was like a whole commotion going on about the boxes. I thought I wasn't even gonna get my box this month because they did come out with the Boxy Luxe. In August is when they announced, and I heard some people couldn't get it and it like set back a lot of people's box, I guess. And also there was like, I didn't get my shipping email until the 10th and I got my box yesterday, which was the 11th, so that was weird, but I got it. I'm going to open it up for you guys and I'm just using like a little razor thing. But this is what the box looks like. You guys see it first. I show you guys everything first and then I show you all my reaction. So I didn't get the thing that I was supposed to get. I'm looking at that now. I was supposed to get a the highlighter, and because I know there was 2 of you guys who did join Boxycharm, and because of the coupon code that I had that I gave you guys, I was supposed to get one, and then you guys were supposed to get one too. The 2 girls who signed up for Boxycharm, you and I were supposed to get the, who was it from? We are supposed to get a highlighter from Becca, and it's not in my box. Yeah. What happened? You want to sit on the bed? So that sucks, because I was really waiting for it, but I guess I'll email them and ask them what happened. So of course you get the little pamphlet that says the theme for this month, and it is wildflower. I'm gonna show you guys what you get first. You get this little set of brushes. These are from Alamar Cosmetics, and this is the Ojitos brush set. So it looks like you get a blending brush, a packing or concealer brush, and a flat brush, and these are $18. This is a eyeliner. This is a roll-on precision liner by Bert Lindsey, and this is $19. This blush is from Laura Geller. It's the baked blush, and it's in the shade Tropic Hues. Looks like this, and this is $28. You get this Hank & Henry liquid lipstick. I honestly wanted the other one. This is in the shade Petal Pusher. I really wanted the other one, but I wanted my sister got this. But it's cool because it looks like a little lipstick on this side. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then it's actually like liquid lipstick. This is $17. And then the last thing you get is by Pretty Vulgar, and this is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Nightingale, and this alone is $35, which is insane because the whole box is $21. So now I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys facts about Boxycharm. It is a $21 subscription that you pay at the first of every month, and each box comes with over $100 worth of products. So this month they went well over $100, which is awesome because you get a lot of makeup, and they are full-size products. So if you guys don't have a Boxycharm subscription and you guys want makeup, you get pretty good stuff. This is what the palette looks like, so it's worth your money. So I'm going to use my Urban Decay De-Slick Primer. This is just the mattifying one. Any day now. That's when you know you haven't put makeup on in a long time. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Bronze Beige. I always use this. I've mentioned to you guys time and again that this is my absolute favorite foundation. It's from the drugstore. It's affordable. Why not? I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and I'm using mine in the shade Light Ivory. I'm gonna go in with my Airspun Loose Face Powder just to set all of that concealer. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using this Palladio Rice Powder. I've talked about this so many times, you guys. If y'all have oily skin, I definitely recommend you guys buying that. You can get it at Sally's Beauty Supply or at Ulta. For my bronzer, I'm going to be using this Ulta Contour Kit. You guys already know. It's what I use all of the time and I love it. Alright, finally, I'm gonna go in with the Laura Geller Tropic Hues blush. It looks like it's like an illuminating blush. I don't know if you guys can see that. Barely. I put some right here. Ooh! Fallout City! Check that out. Can you guys see all the fallout right here? Mommy. That was a lot. So, yeah. I'm scared. Mommy. Yeah. I never ever use blush except for like the days that I remember to put it on, but I like this one. It's pretty because it even has like a little golden, it has like a golden little specks in it, so it even like it's kind of like a blush and highlighter in one. So I really like this little guy. I guess I'm gonna do my brows off camera just because you guys have seen me do that 1,000,001 times, and then we will come back in 1 second for you guys to start with the eyeshadow. Alright, my brows are on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and open my Ojitos brush sets by Alamar Cosmetics. And I'm going to use some of my brushes too, obviously, just because they only sent 3, which is more than enough. I love the color of the handles on here. They're not numbered or anything. They just have the Alamar logo on it, or like whatever. So I'm going to grab a thicker shader brush. I'm going to go in with Nocturnal, which is this plain white shade right here. And I'm just going to set all of my eye with it, and then I'm gonna go in with the brush, the Alamar brush, or the Ojitos brush. I'm gonna mix Hide and Seek and Dark Side together, and I'm gonna put this in my crease just to see like what kind of color I get. Alright, this brush isn't really blending it for me, so I'm gonna go in with one of my brushes. So I'm gonna go in with, I guess, Swoop, which is the bottom left shade. and I'm gonna go in with After Midnight, which is the middle shade in the bottom, and I'm going to put this I'm gonna take Clutch right here, and I'm gonna put that on the inner corner right here on the Ojitos brush. I'm gonna take Break Free, this shade right here, and put it on my brow bone. I'm gonna try this Butter London eyeliner. I've never used a roll-on eyeliner, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Well, I mean, it's not bad. I don't hate it. It wasn't hard at all to put on. It does give you that really thin line, so I like that much. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my other eye. I'm gonna plug you guys in for a little bit and then I'll be right back. So a little thing, I did not like the Butter London eyeliner, because as I was applying my mascara on this side, it just like flaked right off. So I had to go over it again, and it just isn't going over. It isn't going over. She's crying. It isn't going over the part that flaked off. So that's a little bit weird. I don't know if that's happening to you guys also. But now I'm gonna go in with my Hank & Henry liquid lipstick. And hopefully this color matches this look. If not, it's okay. It looks alright, I guess. I mean, it's like, it looks like a pretty daytime smoky eye, because I would rock this look during the day. I don't care. But I like it. I actually have to go to the dollar store now. I also need to set my face, but I'm gonna do that after this video. But if you guys want to keep seeing these videos, then just give this video a big thumbs up. That way I'll know to do them monthly. This is the first time that I actually film this video and upload it like right after I get it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.